In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create landing pages in Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms around. By creating compelling landing pages, you can better share your products or services, guide your customers, and even increase conversions on your site. The process of creating landing pages in Shopify is quite simple and straightforward. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Look to the left sidebar. This is the central navigation of your Shopify store. You'll see a series of options, and what we're interested in is the option titled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking Online Store, a drop-down menu will appear. Skim through these options until you find the one labeled Pages. This is where we'll be setting up our landing page, so go ahead and give it a click. Doing so will take you to a new area where you manage all the custom pages you have or wish to create in your Shopify store. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see an option labeled Add Page, situated somewhere near the top of the page. Click on it. This action will initiate the building of a new landing page, enabling you to customize it according to your brand and goal. After clicking Add Page, you will be taken to a new screen where you fill out the details of your new page. Keep in mind that a good landing page has a compelling title, which acts as an invitation for potential customers, so choose it wisely. Start by placing an attention-grabbing title in the title field. Now that you have your page title sorted, the next step is to provide the actual content of your landing page. Navigate to the Content section and populate it with compelling copy, images, videos, or whatever else you feel could drive your message home. The possibilities are virtually endless. Just make sure to keep it all relevant to what you're offering. Now, it's time to consider the visibility of your landing page. There is a section labeled Visibility. Here, you find two options, Visible and Hidden. As you might guess, if you want your visitors to actually see your page, you must ensure that the Visible option is selected. Finally, once you're satisfied with the title, content, and visibility options of your landing page, click on the Save button. Your landing page is now live and ready for your visitors to see and interact with. And that's it, folks. You've successfully created a landing page on your Shopify store. Remember, always consult your analytics, perform A/B tests, and amend areas on your page that may be underperforming. Keep iterating and improving. After all, your landing page acts as a first impression for many of your customers. So, make sure it is always at its best. Happy selling!